Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to talk about probably one of my favorite stocks that's not in the EV space is Kaizen Auto Holdings. It was up an incredible 56% yesterday. It is giving back some of its gains down over 9% in the pre-market down to 861. However, this stock, look where it was. It was at 4, then you could have gotten it at like $3. It's just boomed up to 949. There's no direct news on why Kaixin Auto Holdings is exploding upward. However, I really love this company's business model. And the business model is that they sell used luxury cars in China. They currently have 14 dealerships in 12 different provinces. As I said, the great thing about luxury cars, especially used luxury cars, is that you can make a huge profit on these because people, it's kind of like a Prada bag or a Gucci pair of shoes. You're paying more for the badge than the actual materials or the cost to make the vehicle. And a lot of people in China, they're making some money. And maybe if you want to drive around China in a Porsche, but you can't afford a new one, you could get a used one for about a half or a third of the price. And, China is very style conscious. So that's definitely going to benefit this business. And then Kaizen can use all the money that they're getting now, from their stock and open up more dealerships or, buy more inventory. And I think they'll probably go into selling used luxury EV vehicles. That'll make the company explode even more. And I really like this business too because you could diversify a little bit away from EVs. If you have a lot of your money in EV stocks, this is a way to play the growth in China, the growth of the upper middle class in China without being all in EV stocks. So if EV stocks roll over, maybe Kaizen will hold its gains. That gives you a little bit of portfolio diversity. But I really like this business model because I don't think there are a lot of other companies like Kaizen operating in China, at least at its scale. So it's a possibility that they could be the dominant player in China. And if that's the case, then this is a company that's going to be like a Tesla. And that what I mean is that you're just going to be so dominant, it would be very hard for another company to catch up. So definitely keep your eye on Kaizen Auto Holdings. They trade under the NASDAQ under stock symbol KXIN. They're at 949 right now. Let me check the 50-day moving average. I'm sure the 50-day moving average on it is really low. But the reason why I'm saying that is in case this stock falls pretty hard, you will, let me see if I can find it. Well, you know what? The 50-day moving average is going to be pretty low. I can't find it off the top right here. No, it's okay. Here it is. The simple moving average is 1.84, then 2.37 for the EMA. So basically like around 2. So the stock's at 9. The 50-day moving average is going to be around 2. So therefore, if this stock falls really hard, if it falls down to 5, it's still going to be above its 50-day moving average. So the point I'm trying to make is if you buy this stock, if you buy it, let's say if it falls down to 850 or 840, and it goes all the way down to 5, don't panic because it's still above its 50-day moving average. And usually stocks that are above their 50-day moving average have a lot of support, and there's a chance I can move higher. But just bear in mind, we get a stock that moves this high this fast, it may pull back a little bit, but this is a company that's in a great space, and I think they're going to continue to grow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like the video and go ahead, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot.